The Dani tribe is one of the Papuan tribes who inhabit the Belian Valley in the central mountains of Papua. This tribe is known for its unique culture and traditions that are still maintained. The Dani live in traditional house called honai. The honai is mushroom shaped with a thatched roof and wooden walls. And the mummy traditions, which involves preserving the bodies of ancestors by drying them in the sun and putting them in a cave. And now I will discuss one of the tradition, the mummy traditions. Mummy tradition in Papua by Dani tribe. The Dani tribe is one of the tribes living in Papua, Indonesia. They have a unique tradition called mummy, which is preserving the body in a unique way. This tradition has been practiced for centuries and is part of the Dani culture and identity. Mummification process. The mummification process begins with cleaning the body and removing the entrails. Then the body is wrapped in bark and tied with ropes. After that, the body is placed in a cave or special house called honai. For several months, the body will be preserved by drying it over a small fire. This process requires a lot of patience and diligence because it must be done repeatedly so that the corpse is completely dry. After the body is dry, the mummification process is complete. The body is then placed in a honai and honored as an ancestor by the Dani tribe. Meaning of the mummy traditions. The mummy traditions has a deep meaning for the Dani tribe. They believe that their ancestors are still alive and can provide guidance and protection to them. By preserving the remains, the Dani can maintain a connection with their ancestors and gain strength and inspiration from them. In addition, the mummification tradition is also a way to strengthen relationships between community members. In the mummification process, community members work together to preserve the remains and draw strength from their ancestors. Threats to the mummy traditions. The Dani mummy traditions currently faces threats from several factors. First, environmental and climate change can affect the mummification process and make it more difficult to perform. Secondly, outside cultural influences could lead the Dani to abandon their traditions and adopt other cultures. Third, the lack of documentations and research on the mummy traditions can make it difficult to understand and preserve. Therefore, efforts need to be made to document and preserve the Dani mummy traditions. These traditions has a deep meaning for the Dani tribe and is a way to maintain a connections with their ancestors. Therefore, efforts should be made to preserve and document the Dani mummy traditions.